Okay guys, good afternoon. Magluto tayo ng dinner. Okay? So, let's cook. We have ready to cook pasta. Curry. Let's see curry. Alfredo. Carbonara. So, I can cook these two separate. And then the other two is the curry flavor, so I'll cook it differently as well. And then the spaghetti that I have cooked, the noodles, I can add it on, guys. Add on natin siya. Nilagay tayo ng milk. Yung milk. We'll get our spaghetti noodles. Yan. Okay. So, luto tayo ng spaghetti sauce. Clean. Clean. What's called? Tocino. Ayan guys, so nagluto ako ng carbonara. Carbonara. Spaghetti. And rice onion. And then I cook tocino. Tubo on top. Because daddy suggested use the tocino. This is better. Done. I already did. You want smaller? Smaller. Okay.
And when you mix it all up, it's not, you don't know if you need.
Okay, once it's smaller like this. Okay.
Small as you can get it.
See? New invention. But it tastes very good. Because the tocino is very good.
Yeah, the flavour will go through it too.
What are you gonna have in macros, babe? Rice? And just have a drink. I'll eat here.
Or a burger and drink.
I'll eat here at home.
Yeah, have some of this
A
one.
relaxing night.
This one.
We should have one now. So when we get there, we're not too hungry. That's right.
Yeah, I'll try a little bit now.
Yeah. Small. Serve. I know it's the sauce is well. This is way better than bacon. Is this enough?
Yeah,
Okay. Good idea. Sit up for 30 seconds.
yeah, 30 seconds.
Guys, ta-da! Invention of the nation. Let's take a photo. I like it. Ta-da! That's tocino. Tocino sauce. So daddy got a replacement from spaghetti. Now he's got spaghetti, but it's got white sauce. White sauce and red meat.
Plus sweet chili.
Plus sweet chilies.
You want to have a look at it now, everybody?
Yep.
Ah, sweet chili and
Sweet chili with bread. Ta-da! Looking good. There. They're wondering, wow, that's the food. That's the food we want. Actually guys, pupunta kami sa McDonald's. Ngayon. I-close lang muna namin yung shop. Tapos kakain muna kami. Pagdating doon, mag-drink lang ako ng caramel frappe. Yeah. Tinatawag nila guys sa McDonald's Braff. Pero kung tingnan mo siya sa Google, kung paano mo siya i-pronounce is frappe. Yung pay na PEY. Kaya sa Australia, ang tawag nila niyan, frappe. Dito guys, prof. Sabi ko mali yan. Anyway, kain tayo guys. Ayun. Tapos, punta tayo ng McDonald's. Kasi masarap ang hangin sa labas. Magpahangin-hangin kami ni Daddy. Then uwi, ligo, and then pahinga, rest. Yun na. Yun ang gabi natin. Diba? Ganyan ang routine namin dito guys. Close na kami guys. Okay guys, we arrived in McDonald's successfully. We're having a dessert. Daddy has a caramel Oreo and I have a caramel. They don't have mocha, so it's caramel for me. And there is my bag. There's a dog outside. There's a chips over there. Let's eat Mega World, McDonald's, guys. That's the outside. People are having a chill over there. Kain, guys. McCafe. McDonald's. That's the road.
Save us from the fires of hell and lead all souls to heaven, especially those most in need of goodness. Never shall call me blessed. They will be blessed. Immaculate Mary, Mother of God, blessed are you. You show us the way. Mary, our mother, teach us to pray.
So guys, ayan na yung natin, gabi natin or afternoon and night routine. Nakakuha kami guys ng napakalaking cockroach kasi malaki siya guys, ganun. Lumipad siya kasi nag-spray ako ng room. So, hindi ko alam kung saan siya galing kasi hindi naman masyado maraming taguan, pero nag-i-exist sila for some reason guys. Hindi namin alam kung saan sila nanggagaling. So, spray lang kami ng spray para at least lalabas sila, 'di ba? Yan na lang ang baka sa drain sila dumadaan, hindi lang kami sure. But anyway, wala tayong magawa, pero spray na lang tayo. kinuha ko yung mga damit dito guys, kasi nga itong cabinet na to, ayan, oh, kaunti na siguro mabigat yung ano, so lalagyan ko na lang ng wood na patayo, ganyan. Kinuha ko yung mga damit muna, tapos bilhan ko siya siguro ng ano mothballs. Ayan, ito hindi naman umano to kasi magaan lang naman yan eh, mga towel. Ayan. Mga ano yan guys, yung COVID kit na binigay sa amin sa Australia. Yan man lang ang mga laman, hindi naman mabigat. Yan. So, ayan. After that, running around with the cockroach, pero nakuha siya namin guys. The other day, dalawa doon sa inuupuan ni Daddy banda, isa kay Toto, isa kay Daddy, tapos isa naman sa akin. So isa kami, so we're just gonna keep going and spray pag possible yung bahay para hindi tayo ano, hindi sila dadami, di ba? Hindi kami naglalagay ng mga masyadong makulimlim na mga ano, dapat wala silang mga kalat-kalat para na hindi sila makatago. Yan, kahit doon sa baba, we try and clear everything sa mga gilid-gilid, yun, para hindi sila guys makatago. Ayan, kasi ayaw ko talaga ang cockroach, kahit sa Australia pa. That's the thing that I really don't like, you know. Nakakainis. Sa bahay, sa Australia, may ano talaga kami, may yung pag-build mo ng bahay, para silang may pest control na yung linalagay doon sa tubo, and then makapunta sa internal ng bahay pag magkaroon ka ng pest control people. Pero hindi kayo pwede mag-stay dyan within 24 hours. Kailangan walang tao. Ayun. So that's the one thing I don't like. Yun. So, ano na kami ni Daddy, settle na yan guys, nakapangtulog na ako. Tapos, nag-grocery na ako guys. Ang grocery is, I do it in the morning, when I wake up, pagbukas ko ng shop. Tapos, habang ang shop ay naghintay ng customer, nagro-grocery ako guys. Tapos, night time, bago ako matulog, magro-grocery talaga ako bago si Daddy tapos ng pinapanood niya. So, yun. So, tomorrow, September 8 is birthday ni Mama Mary. So, mag-celebrate din tayo ng birthday ni Mama Mary para sa kanya. Ayun. Kasi ang dami niya talagang nagawa na mga guidance sa amin ni Daddy. Para kaming we feel so blessed na nakarating kami sa Philippines, na experience namin ang buhay dito, at naging okay naman kami, nang walang maraming problema. Tapos ang importante talaga guys, healthy kami, kasi yun lang talaga ang kailangan dito sa Philippines, you know. Basta healthy ka lang, pwede ka dito. Tapos huwag ka lang sakitin, kasi pag sakitin ka, ang hirap talaga, you know. So we try to focus lang sa health, diba? Ayan. So maintain lang tayo ng mga kinakain, wag lang tayo abuso sa pagkain, you know, yan. Kasi we are what we eat. What we eat is what we are. Yung parang ganyan. So ayan, so mag-say good night na ako sa inyo, and we shall see you guys in our next vlog. Complete na ang gabi namin, nakapagpasyal na kami ng McDonald's. Yun lang naman guys, pumupunta kami doon kasi malapit lang sa bahay, mga 5 minutes by motorbike, isang liko lang, gano'n, nandyan na. Tapos malapit lang siya, and then makapag-relax lang kami doon. Tonight hindi maraming tao, minsan punong-puno kasi malaki yan ang McDonald's, sa highway siya papunta sa airport. So dyan, minsan naboboard na kami dyan, doon naman kami sa kabila pupunta, kaya lang medyo malayo yun, mga 15 minutes, pero highway din, the same highway. So ayan, so thank you guys for watching. Ito ang night natin afternoon and night. Hindi ko siya guys mabuo sa isang vlog kasi medyo marami ang ganap. Para medyo maintindihan nyo, talagang makita nyo talaga yung life namin as much as possible. Ayun. So, we shall see kung what is the continuation of our life here in the Philippines. May mga good news, may mga hindi masyado, sana wag marami, di ba? Good news is dapat marami para na marami kaming may share sa inyo. Minsan may mga kaunting ditches, you know, ganyan. So, pag-usapan natin yan later. Okay guys? Good night everybody. See you in our next vlog. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.